So it was perhaps accident that turned their fate. The ball they were playing with fell into the well, and they could not find another ball to play with. Okay, and they were very sad with this fact. But Arjun found an old Brahmin sitting there, and he suggested that the Brahmin would be able to help them. The holy man smiled when the boys ran up to him with the problem. "What poor aim you must be having to send a ball down in a big well," he remarked. "But don't worry, I shall help you if you promise to give me your dinner." See, the Brahmin was ready to help them at the cost of their dinner. "Give you our dinner?" cried the princess. "You will have much more than that. You must come home with our grandfather, the great Bhishma, and he will reward you handsomely." See, the children agreed to his proposal, and they added that they would not only reward him with the dinner but also would give them something more than that. "Very well," said the holy man. "Now watch what I do." So the boys, at the suggestion of Arjun, approached to the old man, the Brahmin, who readily agreed to help them out, but at the cost of their dinner. They fell into the suggestion, and Brahmin got up to help them. To assure the Brahmin, they told him that they would take him to their wise grandfather Bhishma, who would reward him much more than a dinner. First, he took off his ring and threw it into the well. Then he plucked a blade of coarse grass. Taking aim, he sent it flying swift and straight as an arrow into the well. Now, we will see how the Brahmin tends up to help them. What do we see him doing? He took off his ring, threw it into the deep well in the water, and collected the blade of straw and threw it down straight into the well. All the boys ran to peep inside the well. They saw that the point of a blade of grass had pierced the ball. Then he plucked another blade and, taking aim as before, set this one flying in the same way into the well. The children saw with surprise that the second blade had pierced the top of the first one. Again and again, the holy man threw a blade of grass, and every time it pierced the blade below it, so that they all stood one on top of the other, forming a long chain. He then asked little Arjuna to pull up the chain. The boy did so quickly, and there at the bottom of the chain was the ball that had lost. So, see, what did Bhishma do? He threw a blade aiming the lost ball and repeated the process, which amazingly surprised the little prince gang when they found him doing that. He repeated the same process, okay, threw one blade after the other with a precise aim, made the straw into a long chain, and Arjun was asked to pull it out, which was easily done by him. "Now I shall get my ring," said the old man. Pulling another blade of grass, he sent it flying into the well as before. Within a short time, up it came with the ring encircling it. The princes were very much impressed with him. They were very much impressed with what they had seen. "What is your name, sir?" they asked him respectfully. "My name is Drona," said the holy man. "Go now and tell your grandfather that I am here." Now, the Brahmin again repeated the same cycle, like how he was throwing the course of grass, making a long chain, okay, and got back his ring. The children were greatly impressed and politely asked his identity. The holy man